You never really do that. Oh, bye. Bye,
Come on, princess. I got you. I got you, love. So cute for you, little girl.
Tickle.
Yeah, tickles. Put a bar down. You can hear us? Come, Skylar. Let sister here go. Skylar, have me makeup. Put sister makeup on.
Stop it. You're really on the chair. Man. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. No, he pushed me off. Oh, no, oh, no, no.
Skylar, please don't kick your sister.
Come back, come. Let sister sit. Come on. Come on.
Sit down, love.
Let's go. Come on. You wanna go, baby?
Am I doing a good job?
I think you really tickled. I love this hit. Well, what in the world is that? It smells good. Is that lotion?
No.
I smell that before. I want to see what it is. Can you open it? Oh,
Did we do lipstick? Did we do lipstick? I don't know.
Naughty little boy.
Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Ow. Let me see something. Close your mouth. What do you think? What do you think?
Not done.
Oh, I need to do more?
What else does he need to do?
I got you. Hold on. Where's the square thing? Oh, there you go.
You never know what you want.
All right.
How can you forget about colors for your eyes?
What color do you want? Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Look at this. It's so beautiful.
Am I hurting you?
I'm not seeing anything.
I got the darker.
Just do the green.
The green. Hold on, don't move. Okay, open your eyes. I'm not done. I got one other thing to do. I still find it. Okay. Don't move, okay?
What up here, baby?
How do you look? Okay. And one last thing, because you're a little princess. Do you know what that is?
Ticker.
It's not even in the middle.
I'm in the middle. There you go. That's perfect.
I'm gonna go check in the mirror.
Maybe let's remove the thing. Hold on. Do you want to take or leave it?
Remove it.
Alright, let me see what editing needs to be done.
You like it? Yeah?
I'm gonna go check in my mirror.
Oh, you're not seeing good people. Okay.
Your eyes look a little weird.
Your eyes look a little weird.
Who's Daddy Princess?
Me.
Me, who?